Hello everyone, this is Vedant Pandey and now welcome in this video. So we will start from the practice question of while loop. In the earlier video, episode 4, we have discussed the examples and definition of while loop. Now we will practice some question and then after we will move to next topic, that is break, pass and continue statements. So let's start. What is first question? So here first question is print number from 1 to see how we will do this question. Print number from 1 to 20. Okay, using while loop. First we will open VGS code, then I'll make a file and I'll name it while.py. We have to print up to 1 to 20, then I is starting from 1. So I equal 1 while I is less than 21. Print I, then after we will increase the value of I plus equal 1. Let's see how it will work. You can see in output it is printing from 1 to 20. So that's how you will print number from 1 to 20. First you will initialize I with 1, then while I less than 21, so this loop will go up to 1 to 20. You will print I and then after you will, here what we have done, we have increased the value of I with 1. Let's see the second question. Print even numbers using while loop. Okay, let's see how we will do this. Using while loop, we have to print even numbers. First I will initialize I with 2 because even number start with 2. Then after while I is less than, let's suppose I am printing up to 20, 21, print I, and after I will increase the I with 2, then it will print all the even numbers between 2 to 20. You can see in output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So that's how you will print the even numbers between any range. Let's see the third question. Print multiplication table of 7. Okay, we have to print the table of 7. Let's see how we will print. First I'll initialize I with 1 while I is less than 11. Print, we'll use here f string 7 into I equal 7 into I. Then we will have to increase the I with 1. Let's see the output. You can see we have successfully print the multiplication table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 14, 21 and up to 70. So that's how you will print any table using while loop. Let's see the fourth question. Fourth question is print numbers from 20 to 1. In reverse order we have to print. So what we will do, I will initialize I with 20 and then after while I is greater than 0, print I, then I'll decrease the value of I with 1. Let's see, you can see the output. Output is 20, 90, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. In reverse order up to 1. We have successfully printed. So that's how you will print in reverse order. Counting numbers. Let's see the fifth question. Fifth question is calculate the sum of numbers from 1 to 10. So let's see how we will calculate the sum of numbers. What we will first, we will initialize I with 1. Then we will create a sum variable and we will store 0 here. Then we will write the loop while I is less than 11. What we are going to do, we will add I in sum. And then after we will increase the value of I with 1. Then we will print the sum variable. Let's see, is it working or not. Sum plus 1. You can see now it is printing sum, showing output 55. So from 1 to 10 the sum is 55. You can see successfully we have printed the sum of numbers between 1 to 10. Let's see another question. So we have done with all question. Let's move to another topic. Our next topic is break statement. So the definition is break statement immediately terminates the loop. What it does? It immediately terminates the loop. It stops the execution of the loop, the execution of the program immediately. Let's see with example. You can see in this example, for I in range 10, if I equal 5, break, print I. Output will going to first from range 10. Okay, if I equal 5, so it will immediately execute at 5. So it will print the program's output will from 0 to 4. That's how you can see the output is from 0 to 4. Now let's do a practice question. Stop printing after number 8. Let's see how to do. For I in range 10, if I equal 8, break the program, print I. Let's see. We have to use if. Okay, and if we will use okay. So what we are going to write here, I will replace this if I equal 8, then break. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, indentation error. You can see at 8 it is breaking the program. It is immediately stop the program at 8. But it why it is printing? Because I have used if statement after the print statement. That's why it is printing the 8. Otherwise it will neglect it. Let's see. So what we will do, we will solve only one question. Now you can solve these 4 questions by yourself, because we have less time and we have to cover all the topics in this video only. That's why we have very small very little time, very limited time. So do these all question by yourself, and if you will not able to do, then search it on Google and chat GPT, Gemini. Then you will able to understand how to solve it. Let's move to the next topic, that is continue statement. So continue statement, so the definition of continue statement is: the continue statement skips the current iteration and moves to the next one. So what it does, we will see with the help of example. You can see for I in range 1 to 6, if I equal 3, continue and print I. So what it will does, when the loop will come to iteration 3, it will skip that iteration. It means it will not print the iteration of 3 that the continue does. It will, what it does, it skips that current iteration and move to the next iteration. That's how the iteration works. Let's see if I okay. Now let's see the output from 1 to 6. At iteration 3 it will skip, then it will print 1 2. When it comes to 3 it will skip it and move to next iteration 4. It will print 5, it will print, so 1 2 4 5. That will be the output of the program. Now practice question, skip number 5 in a program. So let's see how to do it. for I in range 1 comma 1 to 8. If I equal 5, continue and print I. Let's see this example. Let's see this question, how it will print. First, see in question what will the what will be the output of this question, this code, and which iteration it will skip. Answer this question in your mind and let's see the output. You can see the fifth iteration, it has been skipped by the program and it is moved to 6 and 7. So we done this question. Let's see what you will going to do. You will do these all 4 questions, and after that we will move to next topic. Next topic is past statement. The past statement does nothing. The past statement does nothing. It acts as a placeholder when the code block is empty. Okay, so what is the use of pass? Let's suppose you create a while loop or a for loop, okay, and after that you have nothing to write. You have nothing, not you have no statements to write inside that loop. So what you will do, you will think that program will give some syntax error, so I have to erase that while loop. I have to erase or comment out this loop. So before commenting or erasing it, what you can do, just write you can write pass in the statement of that loop, and the program will neglect it. It will not give the syntax error. So pass statement does this work. Let's see with the help of example. For I in range 5, if I equal to pass, print I. So pass is mainly used while developing program when the code is not yet written. So that's how you will write. Create an empty if block using pass. Let's see. Let's see with example. I will solve. Let you know how to use pass. For example, you create a for loop. Simply write pass here. The program will not give any syntax error. You can see program is running successfully. After it, if you want to print something, then the program will print it also. Print Vedant Pandey. Program will print successfully this statement. You can see program is running successfully. It is not showing any syntax error. Why? It is not showing any syntax error. Uh, Already we have not give any statement here. We have not give any statement in the for loop. So that's how the pass statement work in Python. If you have no any statement, you have no any block of code in loops, then you can simply write pass. The program will neglect that loop. Let's move to next topic, and next topic is nested loops. So earlier in the episode 3 or 4, we have studied about nested if else. So nested loop is same as nested if else. What it does, loop inside loop is nested loop. In the nested if else, you already seen it, that if else statement, if statement inside if statement is called a nested if. So that's how loops also work, nested loops also work. Let's see with example. For I in range 3 and for j in range 3, print I comma j. So what it will the output? For every range of I, every single range of I, this second loop will run up to complete range from 0 to 3. You can see from 1 to 3 or 0 to 3, because yes, from 0 to 3. So you can see here, first digit is come from the range of I, that is from the first loop. So for every single I range, the j range will completely run. Like for 0, when I is equal to 0, j0, I0, j1, I0, j2, and after that I1, j0, I1, j2, j1, I1, j2, I2, j0, I2, j1, I2, j2. So that's how the nested loop works. Let's practice a question. Print a 3 into 3 grid. Let's see how to print a 3 into 3 grid. Print row and column numbers. Okay. See this is simple question, so we will solve this one. We will print row and column numbers using nested loops. See how to do it. For I in range 3, for j in range 3, print I comma j. We have to print row and column. So for row 1, 2, 3, it will work like that. Row 1, in row 1, column 1, 2, 3, in row 2, column 1, 2, 3, row 3, column 1, 2, 3. Okay. For I1, it will print all the j in I1. So print I, then print no I1, and j is 1, 2, 3. Print I. Let me write here j, and let's see the output. 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1. No, that is wrong here. So what we are going to do, we will only let's leave it, move to next question. Print number from 1 to 3 inside another loop. So how inner loop iteration. Okay, let's move to next topic. Our next topic is pattern program. Pattern program is a very important example and very important programming inside the loop. So in example 1, for I in range 5 print stars. So what it will do, it will print 5 stars in row wise. In example 2, for I in range 5 print star into 5. It will print the star like this. You can see in this example. That's how it will print the star. In example 3, for I in range 1, comma 6 print star into I. Example 4, you can see the examples with the use of a minus step index, negative step index. You can print the star like this. Let's do a question. We will print a square star pattern. Let's see how to do it. Square star pattern. I in range 1, comma 4. What it will do, it will print. So we have to print square 4 4 4. Okay, for every iteration. So we have to use nested loop. I in range 1, comma 4. Also here we have to use another iteration like j. Print star. What it will do, for iteration 1 it will run complete 3 3, and it will neglect also 4. Okay, let's see. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, what it is doing, it is printing the next line, and what we have to do, not move, we have to not move to the next line. So what we will do, print I into j times. So don't move to, simply what we will do, we will keep the j here 3, start from 3, only 3 I think for every complete run. Yes, let's see the 3, is it working or not. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. No, it will not work. Star into j. Let's see. I think it is in range 3 only. I want only range 3. J will start from 3 and end at 4. Let's see. Now we have successfully print a square. You can see 3 and 3, 3, 3. So that's how you will print a square using nested loop. What we have do, we have multiply here star with j, and j is iteration. What is it? It is 3. So it will print 3 star in every iteration of I. That's how you will solve the star problem. Let's see some homework assignment for you. Write number from 1 to 100 using how you'll write from 1 to 100 using loops. Write all even numbers from 1 to 100 using loops. Print all odd number from 1 to 100. Print the multiplication table of any number entered by the user. Find the number of sum of number from 1 to 100. Find the factorial of a number. Uh, Reverse the digit of a number. Count the number of digits in a number. Print all multiple of 7 between 1 to 100. Create a simple password checker using a while loop. So that's how you will able to do these all question. These all are basic question, and now you are at level of a coder who can solve these all question very easily. So let's see and the summary of this lecture. In this lecture we have learned what loops are: for loop, a range function, while loop, break statement, continue and pass statement, nested loops, and basic pattern programs. So these concepts are from the foundation of solving programming problem and are used extensively in data structures, algorithms, and real world software development. So that was the summary of lecture. Which lecture? Lecture of loops. Now we will move to uh, the next topic, that is the function. Function is most important topic in Python. Let's see the definition of a function. A function is a block of a reusable code that performs a specific task. So here, what is a reusable code? Reusable code means you can use that code many times. So that is the work of function. You can use a code for many times for a specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we can create a function and call it whenever needed. So that is function uh, with a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. Let's see, why do we use functions? To avoid writing duplicate code, to make programs easy to understand, to make code reusable. Again it is coming reusable. Reusable means again you can use that code. To divide a large program into smaller parts. So that are the use of function. Let's see the syntax. Always start with def. Syntax is always start from def, and after a space you will write in the function name. What is function name? You can write any variable name with yours. The rule is same as variables, and after that you will give a parenthesis after colon, and after pressing enter, after some indentation, you will write the code here. Now see what how we write the syntax of functions. Def, function name, and then after code. See example 1, def greet, and inside function print welcome to Python. And always you have to call a function. When you call, then the function will work, otherwise it will not do anything in the program. So here this greet parenthesis is calling function, so it will call to this, and then the program will go to this, and it will see that we have to print the welcome to Python message, then the output will welcome to Python. That's how function work in Python. Example 2, def add a comma b, print a plus b. And here is the function called add 10 comma 20. So here is parameter and here is arguments. So in parameter you can write anything, a comma b, c comma d, anything. And when you will call the function, then the integer data type, the value will give, that will stored in these variables. So 10 will going to store at a and 20 will going to store at b. So 10 plus 20 going to 30 will be the output of this program. So create a function that prints your name. So that's how you will create a function of printing message of your name. Let's see, we will do this. First I will create a function file, function.py. See how to create. First you will use def always, after def name, and after that use colon, print Vedant Pandey, and after always you have to call the function using function name. Let's see the output. See, the output is my name Vedant Pandey. That's how you will create a function and print your own name using functions. Next question is create a function to print hello student. So it is also easy. Let's see the third question. You can see only you have to use hello student in statement inside the function and then function call. Create a function to add two numbers. Let's see how to add two number using function. Def sum a comma b, after that print a plus b. And what after the function declaration, what you will going to do, you will call the function like my the name of function is sum, so sum, and you will pass the arguments in function. So what will the arguments, 10 comma 50. Let's see. So the sum of 10 comma 50 is 60. So that's how you will create a sum function and add two numbers. Let's see another question. So now our next topic is lists. Let's see the definition. A list is an unordered collection of multiple items. List can store different data types and can be modified after creation. So what is list? A list is an ordered collection of multiple items. List is also you can say it work as variable, where a variable store any type of data like string, float, integer. So list is also you can say for understanding beginner understanding, for the understanding of beginners, list are also a variable which store some data. Which type of data? Different types of data, and which can be modified after creation. And one thing is, in a variable you can always store one type of data, and in list you can store any different type of data with ordered collection. Means any number of integers, any number of string you can store inside list. Features of list. Features are ordered. It will go in ordered Mutable means you can change after a declaration after creating. Allow duplicate values. Yes, it allows duplicate value. Like you want to store a string two times, then you can, it is allow in list, you can store it two times. Always uses square brackets. So whenever you will declare a list, you will going to uh, use this square brackets in list. See example, fruits. Fruits equal in the square bracket apple, banana, mango. So this is a list of fruits. That's how you will create a list. When you print the fruits, the output will going to apple, comma, banana, comma, mango. How to access elements in side of list? So when you, it is work like indexing of string. So when you print fruit and inside a bracket you will use 0, then it will the zeroth index, and at 0th index you can see here is apple, so the output will going to apple. Let's practice a question. Create a list of 5 fruits, and what we are going to do, this is a easy question. Let's do some other question. Print the first element of a list. Can change apple to guava. Let's do the third question. We have to change, what we will going to do, we'll create a list of fruits. Apple, apple, banana, and mango. After we have to change the first index. Let change mango with guava. So fruits 0 1 2, mango is at second index. Fruit 2 equal guava, guava. I think the spelling is correct. Guava. Let's see. After it, we will print the list of fruit. You can see now apple, banana, and guava. So mango is replaced from guava. That's how you will able to modify the list after declaring it. Let's see new topic, that is tuples. So a tuple is an also a tuple is an ordered collection of items that cannot be modified after creation. So it is same as list, but what is the difference? It cannot be modified after creation. What are the features? Ordered, immutable. You cannot change after declaration. Allows duplicate value and use parentheses in always tuple. So how you will declare tuples? With the help of parentheses. How you will declare list? With help of square bracket. Let's see. Colors equal parentheses, and inside parentheses red, blue, green. Print colors. It will print red, blue, and green. Accessing elements, it is same as indexing. So print color 1. So what will the output? Blue. Practice question. Create a tuple of 3 colors. That's how you will going to create tuple. Next question is print the second element. Second element is blue, so you will use first index, means index number 1, then you will able to print blue. Can we change tuple elements? Answer is no. Tuple is immutable. That's why you cannot change the tuples elements. Like in list you can change this blue with any other color like a sky blue, but in tuple you can't change it because it is immutable. Next topic is sets. A set is an unordered collection of a unique elements. हम्म, अरे ससुर के नाती बारू. हम्म, अभी पैदल जात नहीं खानु स्कूल है. मोटरसाइकिल चाहिए इनका के. ओहो. Let's see. The next topic is sets. So a set is unordered collection of a unique elements. It is an unordered collection, and you use always unique elements. Means duplicate value is not allowed in sets. Features are unordered, no duplicate values, mutable. You can change after declaration and uses curly braces. So that's how you will declare a set using curly braces. See example. Number equal 10, 20, 30, 40. You can see print number, it will print the numbers 10, 20. Duplicate example like 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. So when you print, it will remove 1, 2. It will only print only 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see in output 1, 2, 3, 4. Create a set of 5 numbers. That's how you will able to create a set of 5 numbers. Create a set with duplicate values. When you create a duplicate value, but in output you can only see the unique values inside. Why? Because it is set is a unordered collection of unique elements. Can set store duplicate value? Answer is no, it cannot store. Now next topic is dictionary. So set is very easy. After that a dictionary is very important, as uh, it is very important. You will going to work on dictionary on in your program always. Dictionary is very important thing. Let's see, a dictionary stores data in the form of key value pairs. What it does, it stores data in the form of a key value pairs. Let's see features. After that we will discuss the definition. It is mutable, means we can change after declaration. Ordered. In Python 3.7 plus variation, now it is ordered. I think before that it is unordered. Let's see. Keys are unique. Keys always should be unique and uses curly braces always. What is difference between the curly braces of sets and dictionary? Here we use key value pair. Let's see how to write key value pairs. Like example, student equal uh, this curly braces, and inside name, name is key and Rahul is value pairs. Age is key and 20 is value pair. City Delhi. So that's how you will write, you will create a dictionary. First key, always write key in form of string, then after colon, then Rahul is string. That's why we are writing in this way. Age, age is string, and 20 is integer. That's why it is not inside quotes. City Delhi. That's how you will create a dictionary in Python. After print student, it will print name Rahul is 20 and city Delhi. Accessing values, print student name. So what is the name of dictionary? Student. And what you want to print from inside of a dictionary? Name. So that's why here in square bracket you have to use name, and in output you will able to see the output name of the student. It is same as I think class. Yes, it is same as class of C programming. Let's see a practice question. Create a dictionary of a student. So student equal name and age. Print student. Print the student's age. So from this dictionary you have to print the age of the student. So what you will do, simply print, write print, then student, and then the age of student. In output you will able to see the age of student. Add a new key called city. So how to add, because the dictionary is mutable, so you can change or modify its letter. So first we will declare student name, age, and then after you will write like this: student city equal Delhi, and when you print it will automatically add to dictionary. Now our last topic is class, and that is called object oriented programming in Python. Class is also called object oriented programming. Oops. Let's see the definition. A class is a blueprint or template used to create objects. It defines the properties and behaviors that an object will have. An object is an instance of class. So that is definition. Let's see real life example. Think of a car. A car has brand, color, and speed. And these are properties. And what a car can, it can start, stop, accelerate, move from one place to another. So these are behaviors. So these are the behaviors of a car, and these are the properties of a car. And the class, that's how the class is the design of the car. So class is a design of the car, while each actual car is an object. So I discussed class definition. Now let's see examples. See here, when you write a class, always write with, first you will write class, then you will write the name of the class, like class student, and inside you can see a function is here, def display self, print welcome student. After that s1 equal student, here s1 is indicating towards this class. So s1 equals student, s1 dot display. So with respect to this s1, you will call the function that is inside of class. So s1 dot display, after that output will be welcome student. Let's see another example or question. Create a class named car. So that's how you will create a class named car. Class car, and after that uh, whatever the statement you will write here, the codes. Question 2, create an object of student. So how you will create a object of a student? Let's see. First you will create class student. After that, this s1 is object. Okay, s1 represent this class, and this is called object. So that's how you will represent the class with respect to object. Create a class with a method that prints hello Python. So that's how you will write, you will solve this question. Class demo. After that, function def show print hello Python. After that, you will make a object and initialize it with class demo. Then after, you will call the function object dot show. That's how class question you can solve. Now the summary, topic and purpose. So function reuse code by creating blocks of code. What are lists? List, let's summarize it. Store multiple order items that can be modified. Tuples, store multiple order items that cannot be modified. Tuple are immutable, so it cannot be modified. Sets, it stores unique unordered items without duplicates. Dictionary stores data as key value pairs. And class is a, it creates blueprint for objects in object oriented programming language. Okay, after that we will see some question related to class. So let's see.